Welcome to my channel. How to set up TP-Link RE655BE Wi-Fi 7 Extender Easy and Fast Tutorial, 2026. Unbox the TP-Link RE655BE and plug it into a power socket close to your main Wi-Fi router to begin the setup process. Wait until the power LED turns solid. On your mobile or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the TP-Link default Wi-Fi network, SSID shown on the label. Open a browser and enter http://tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254. Log in using the default credentials, check on the device label. The setup wizard will open. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your main Wi-Fi password and confirm. Choose whether to keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, or create a new one for the extender. Wait a few seconds until the extender connects to your router and shows a solid signal LED. Move the extender to a central location between your router and weak signal area, then reconnect your devices. Your TP-Link RE655BE Wi-Fi 7 extender is now fully set up and ready to deliver stronger, wider Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple and reliable Wi-Fi setup tutorials. Thanks for watching.